The Ferntree Rainforest Lodge is set in a lush coastal rainforest, only a short stroll from Cape Tribulations Beach and the famous Mangrove Boardwalk. This is the ideal tropical getaway for couples, families, and for those on a budget. The Ferntree Rainforest Lodge is split into two areas. Choose between the Ferntree Lodges for a magical rainforest experience or the Ferntree Hostel for the young at heart and budget conscious. The Ferntree Hostel offers a selection of quad share dorms and private cabin accommodation. And that's not all, the resort also features an outdoor swimming pool, barbecue area, TV lounge and a bar and entertainment area. It's hard to believe that this is hostel living. The garden loft room is ideal for families and features a double bed and a room for the kids upstairs. You can't go past waking up to these gorgeous rainforest views right outside your window. And to top it off, the Cassowary Bar and Cafe offers a casual and relaxed dining experience overlooking the main pool. This is the perfect way to top off your Ferntree experience. The poolside room is perfect for couples, featuring all your usual luxuries including TV and air conditioning. And as the name suggests, you have a wonderful poolside view.